everyone, this is Pratibha. In this video, I am going to explain about unique nature of web applications. First, we will see the brief introduction about web application. Web application are software programs that run on a web server and are accessed through a web browser over a network. Components typically consist of client-side and server-side. Significance of web applications are accessibility. It means it can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Platform independence, run on device with a web browser regardless of the underlying operating system. Easy of maintenance, centralized updates and maintenance simplify the process for a developers. Scalability, easier to scale up or down to meet demand compared to traditional desktop applications. Cost efficiency, reduced to need for extensive hardware or software installations on a client side. Next is characteristics of web applications. Web applications requires an active internet connection or function, allowing real-time data access and updates. Platform independence. They run on any device with a web browser regardless of the operating system, providing universal access. Centralized data storage. Data is stored on the server, ensuring consistency and ease of data management. Cross-device compatibility. Web applications can be accessed from multiple devices like desktop, tablets, and smartphones. Easy deployment and maintenance. Update and maintenance are handled on the server side, simplifying the process for users. Scalability. Web applications can easily be scaled to accommodate more user and higher loads, adjusting the server resources. Architecture of web applications. Client-server model. Web applications operate on client-server architecture where the client requests the services from the server. Front end is also known as client side. The part of the application that users interact with the directly, typically built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Backend or server end. The server process requests the interacts with the database and sends the appropriate response back to the client. Database stores all the application's data which the backend access and manages. API. API is nothing but application programming interfaces. Application programming interfaces facilitate communication between the front end and back end party services. Development practices. Agile development, an iterative approach to software development that emphasizes the flexibility, collaboration, and customer feedback. Key practices are sprints, daily stand-ups, and continuous improvement. Continuous integration or continuous deployment. Automating the integration and deployment process to ensure frequent, reliable releases. Key practices, automated testing, code integration and deployment pipelines. Version control, managing changes to source code using system like Git. Key practices, branching, merging and maintaining a history of changes. Security consideration. In this, there are three types of common threats. SQL injections. Malicious SQL statements are inserted into an entry field for execution. Cross-site scripting. Attackers inject malicious scripts into web pages viewed by other users. Cross-site request forgery. Unauthorized commands are transmitted from a user that the web application trusts. Performance and scalability, load balancing, distributing incoming network traffic across multiple services to ensure no single server is overwhelmed. Caching, storing frequently accessed data in a temporary storage location to speed up the retrieval. Microservices, breaking down a large applications into smaller, independent services that can be developed, deployed, and scaled individually. User experience and user interface design, responsive design, designing web applications to provide an optimal viewing experience across a wide range of devices. In this, key practices are flexible grids, layouts, and media queries. Accessibility, ensuring web applications are usable by people with wide range of abilities and disabilities. Key practices are keyboard navigation, screen reader, compatibility, and color constraint. Testing web applications. Types of testing. Unit testing. It means testing individual components or functions in isolations. Integration testing. testing the interaction between different components, and next is end-to-end testing, testing the complete flow of the application from start to finish. Tools use automated testing tools, Selenium, Jest, and Mocha. Continuous testing, incorporating testing into the CI or CD pipeline. Next is deployment and maintenance, cloud services. Using cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud for hosting and deploying web applications, monitoring and logging, tracking applications performance and logging errors to ensure smooth operations, regular updates and patches, continuously updating the applications to fix the bugs, improve the performance, and address security vulnerabilities. Case studies are examples. Amazon scalability, it means handles massive traffic via AWS, easily scaling or up or down. Microservices architecture breaks down services into independent modules for easier management. Continuous deployment frequently releases new code into production for rapid updates. Next example is Google Maps. Real-time data updates, it means provides live traffic and location information. User experience offers intuitive and interactive map navigation. API integration allows third-party applications to integrate mapping services. The last example is Netflix load balancing. It means distribute the user request evenly across services to ensure smooth streaming. Caching stores frequently accessed content closer to user for faster access. Global availability ensures consistent streaming quality worldwide using a distributed network. Conclusion: the future of web applications, continuous evolution with advancements in technology, increasing importance in various sectors, and growing user expectations. Thank you for watching this video.